Let's be honest. Hiring used to be hard. Now it's like trying to find a unicorn that owns steel-toe boots, shows up sober, reads a tape measure, and doesn't need 3 emotional support breaks before lunch. And when you finally find someone good, they need Thursday afternoon off for a wedding, then Friday because the wedding was far away, then Monday because apparently weddings now come with a 3-day medical recovery plan, and Tuesday because their neighbor's uncle's cousin's dog has separation anxiety. Meanwhile, your parts still need to get cut. Your orders still need to ship. Your customers still want answers. And your margins are quietly bleeding out in the corner. That's why automation isn't about replacing good people. It's about protecting them. Robots don't get tired. They don't call in sick. They don't forget the process. They don't lift wrong, twist wrong, or end up on modified duty because someone thought team lift meant watch Dave struggle. Automation handles the repetitive, dangerous, boring work so your best people can do what humans are actually good at: thinking, solving, improving, and making money. The old line was, people are your greatest asset. No, the right people are your greatest asset, and the wrong process burns them out. Automation creates consistency. Consistency creates output. Output creates profit. And profit keeps the lights on, the team paid, and the business alive. So if your shop still depends on finding more humans to do the work machines should be doing, you don't have a labor problem. You have a systems problem. Fix the system before the system fixes you.